19 points. The difference between Chelsea's 28 and Arsenal's points. Arsenal sits at the summit of the league table. It's 19. And Chelsea, I think that they played 18. Okay, let's peg it at 18. 18 games. 18 games. If you play 18 games, then we expect that at least you have a total of 54 points. So if you play 18, we expect that you have 54 points, because 18 times 3 if you win.
Yeah.
But to have 28 points means that you have lost a whopping 26 points. You know what it means? You've lost a whopping 26 points, the two teams. It tells you that it's maybe some revenge for Chelsea because of last season. You remember what happened last season? The FA Cup, the Carabao Cup, or the League Cup. Liverpool beat Chelsea on those occasions. So maybe Chelsea feels that they want to go into this game with revenge on their minds and make sure that at least they're able to beat Liverpool. But apart from that, what is
it's a big game. I mean, both clubs can relaunch their season with the win today. So just imagine also winning against Liverpool.
So the two teams, the bad thing about the match is that even the two teams are also going to miss some very key players. So go to Liverpool, for instance, Virgil van Dijk is out and Bobby Firmino is also out. Chelsea, obviously, we have a tall list of absentee players or injured players and who are not going to make it. Raheem Sterling and N'Golo Kanté and those guys are all not going to play. So it's for me, it's nothing. Go to Liverpool. Good news is that maybe you can have Darwin Núñez back, and maybe Cody Gakpo can also play. But apart from that, what is at stake?
What are you expecting today?
Well, two stragglers, if I may say, playing the first play early kickoff. Two stragglers. But is it not that ironic to say Chelsea and Liverpool are stragglers?
Hey, the same season.
Yeah.
Hey.
Two stragglers. Struggling to win matches.
Yeah.
But the match, if you're a Liverpool fan, I think the good thing for you is that the match is going to be played at Anfield. And last week, when we had this discussion of matches that Chelsea have played under Graham Potter, the away performance of Chelsea has been very, 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 very bad. Very, very bad. Out of 10 matches, 30 matches, I think that Chelsea has amassed only about 18 or so matches away. So it clearly tells you that Chelsea has not been very good away performance. And Liverpool playing at home with Darwin Núñez back, with Cody Gakpo playing. Maybe the absence of Virgil van Dijk could be telling on them. But in his absence, they have some very good players at the back too. Joe Matip and Konate are also very good players.
Yeah.
Definitely, it's a back line that you can trust. Because you have Robertson and Trent Alexander-Arnold not playing. And you have Konate and you have maybe you have Matip also playing. And in midfield, I agree with what Eugene said earlier about the Liverpool midfield. Henderson, for me, going down a little bit. James Milner, very old, not that combative again. Fabinho, also down a little bit, to the extent that he doesn't even start most Liverpool games these days. I mean, he's somebody who normally, barring injury, will start any Liverpool game. But Fabinho sits out and sometimes comes on as a sub in the second half when the game is almost ending. So the main man in the midfield is Thiago Alcantara. He's, for me, will be the main man in the Liverpool midfield. Then on the wings, they can have Cody Gakpo, Darwin Núñez is coming back, and good old Mo Salah will also play. So I think that they have more balance than Chelsea. And looking at the players that I've mentioned, because if you go to Chelsea, for instance, the back line, I don't know the players that Graham Potter is going to play. I don't know. Previously, you could just put your fingers on certain players who normally would start for Chelsea. He's going to play Hall on the left. He's going to play Saliba on the right, or Cesar Azpilicueta. The central defensive partner is going to be Thiago Silva and Koulibaly or but
actually, sure.
I'm not very sure. Even in midfield, who are going to play? Is it going to be Kovacic and Jorginho, or is it going to play Kovacic and Gallagher and those guys? It's a whole problem. If you look at the Chelsea setup, we've been so inconsistent with our selection to the extent that we are not getting the best out of the team. It's as if they have a wide range of players, and on a given day, Graham Potter wants at least everybody to also play. But as a Chelsea fan, I know that has not been the case. I mean, we've had some very, very, very stable players, and one or two players have come in and out of the team. But these days, it's so difficult to even predict the Chelsea starting 11. It tells you how inconsistent and how we have treated team building at Chelsea these days. And
Likely your new signing will play. The Mudryk guy. I've watched his videos.
He's an excellent addition to the squad.
Yeah.
Excellent addition to the squad. And I mean, to the extent that Roberto De Zerbi, the Brighton Hove Albion manager, he managed him at Shakhtar Donetsk.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he managed him at Shakhtar Donetsk, and under De Zerbi, he's one player who played almost all the matches that De Zerbi took charge of for Shakhtar Donetsk.
Okay.
And De Zerbi has some very nice words about it. He thinks that maybe some years this guy can win the Ballon d'Or. That's what Roberto De Zerbi is saying, that he thinks that Mudryk can win the Ballon d'Or.
But if you go to YouTube and watch his highlights, I mean, his pace, his movement is devastating.
YouTube team, I'm not this.
But it's an accumulation of the matches that he has played.
Yeah, but I just an accumulation of some good matches here and there. It doesn't give you a fair representation of what.
I know.
Yes, an accumulation of just one or two matches, especially. I mean, those are videos that agents use to sell their players.
Yeah.
So they just cut, just put them together, and you see him running all over the place with these dribbles, with these cycles and things like that, and you think that he's a very good player. But football is played over 90 minutes. It's not played over 1 minute, over 1 minute or 2 minutes. So you get what I'm saying. So, but the video that I've seen, he's a very good player.
Yeah.
And if you look at what Mikel Arteta and Edu are doing at Arsenal now, for them to have shown interest in the player means that
he's a
very good player. So let's wait and see. But for me, I think that at Anfield, Liverpool are the favourites over Chelsea.
So Liverpool is winning today?
Yes, I think so.
Oh, this must be very difficult for you.
Yeah.
Saying this, predicting a win for your opponents.
Yeah.
Oh, Javier, sorry about that. We'll be fine.